So here's my setup for pushing out the bushings and installing the ball joints. So for the bushings, I'm using this pipe here and this little piece of pipe here where the bushing drops into when it gets pushed out. And I have this is the pushing piece, some washers and that on a 3/8 bolt. So on the press, we'll put this in here. This will go right here. And this lines up, fits right over the bushing. And then we'll have the bolt. So we're gonna push out another bushing here. This is a 12-ton press, kind of a small one, but does the job. There you go. There's your bushing right there. Alright, another bushing to push out here. There you go. And that's the final one. So all 4 bushings are out. And they're all in good shape. We're going to slap them back in the new A-arms. So the push the bushings in, pretty much going to do the same thing. Except instead of pushing them out, just going to push them in. Starting to pop out the other end here. I'm gonna give it a little back shove. Went a little too far on that one. Just using a little socket extender. See if that's about right. I call that good. Got it nice and centered on there. Go right to when it touches. Right there. See how this? Go a little past touching it. Go down back. Okay, so let's push it a little bit. Alright, I think I could drop this 1/4-inch extension down through here. And I'll put a little socket on here. And there you go, that's nice and aligned. Okay, one done. Alright, on to the next. Still figuring out how to get the perfect amount of push. I don't know if I can, because to get it to fully pop through, you have to go a little extra far, and then it's too far, and you gotta kind of push it back. So I think it's just a 2-step process. Pushing it one way, and then pushing it out back a little bit. Perfect. All right. So all the rubber bushings are seated now. Now to get the ball joints in. So I found this 3/4 inch drive socket. It's a 1.25 inch. It's just a Harbor Freight socket. Fits perfectly on this ball joint. So I can press it in. So that's what we'll be doing there. Alright, so let's get this ball joint installed on the upper A-arm. Got to see this. Well, as far as the socket's gonna go. Let's see if it's fully seated. Looks like it did. The ring's fully exposed here. Same process. Lower arm. Let's see. Alright. All should go. Okay, let's get these C-clamps installed. There you go. So I'm just putting these little metal end caps back on the rubber bushing. Looks like they go on pretty easy. Alright, got all 4 A-arms fully ready to be installed now. Got the bushings, these rubber bushings pushed back in, the caps on, got all the ball joints in. Did my extra gusset support on that factory bend, and it's ready to go.